John Francis Bon Jovi Jr., born March 2, 1962, known professionally as John Bon Jovi, is an American singer, songwriter, guitarist, and actor. He is best known as the founder and frontman of the rock band Bon Jovi, which was formed in 1983. He has released 16 studio albums with his band as well as 2 solo albums. In the 1990s, Bon Jovi started an acting career, starring in the films Moonlight and Valentino, The Leading Man, Little City, Homegrown, Pay It Forward, U-571 and Cry Wolf, and appearing on television in shows such as Sex and the City, 30 Rock, Ally McBeal, and The West Wing. Bon Jovi was inducted into the Songwriters Hall of Fame in 2009. In 2012, he ranked number 50 among Billboard magazine's Power 100, a ranking of the most powerful and influential people in the music business. Bon Jovi is a founder and former majority owner of an arena football league team, the Philadelphia Soul. John Francis Bon Jovi Jr. was born in Perth Amboy, New Jersey. His father, John Francis Bon Jovi Sr., was a barber and a former Marine. His mother, Carol, also a former Marine, was a florist and Playboy buddy. His father was of Italian and Slovak ancestry. The name Bon Jovi comes from Shaka, Sicily. His mother was of German and Russian descent. In an interview about his family tree, Bon Jovi stated, "I'm not a blood relative of Frank Sinatra, but I've always loved that rumor. Who wouldn't want to be related to the man?" Bon Jovi was raised Catholic. During the height of Beatlemania, his mother became a fervent admirer of the Beatles and dreamed that her son would achieve similar fame. To instill in him a love of music, she gave him his first guitar at the age of 7. Although Bon Jovi received some lessons, he never enjoyed them and eventually abandoned the guitar in the basement. "I liked the sound it made falling down the stairs more than any of those boring lessons," he later stated. He attended St. Joseph High School in Metuchen, New Jersey, during his freshman and sophomore years. He later transferred to Sayville War Memorial High School in Parlin, New Jersey. At 15, he attended a Bruce Springsteen concert with his friends. It was then that he knew what he wanted to do for the rest of his life. He resumed his guitar lessons with a new teacher, Al Paranello, who was very demanding but also instilled in him a passion for music. John Bon Jovi later recalled the importance of those lessons and acknowledged that they were one of the best things that had ever happened to him. When Paranello died in 1995, Bon Jovi carved the initials AP into his acoustic guitar in honor of his mentor, something he continued to do for many years. Personal life, Bon Jovi married his high school girlfriend Dorothea Hurley at Graceland Wedding Chapel in Las Vegas on April 29, 1989. With the two having secretly traveled there during a stop in Los Angeles on his band's New Jersey Syndicate tour together. They have a daughter named Stephanie, born 1993, and 3 sons named Jesse, born 1995, Jake, born 2002, and Romeo, born 2004. Bon Jovi is the father-in-law of English actress Millie Bobby Brown, who married Jake in 2024, and he became a grandfather when the couple adopted a daughter in 2025. A former resident of Rumson, New Jersey, Bon Jovi established his Sanctuary sound recording studio in the basement of his home there. He has described himself as a recovering Catholic. He is a close friend of New England Patriots owner Robert Kraft and former head coach Bill Belichick. He owns 2 Super Bowl rings from the Patriots and has performed several times at the Patriots' home field Gillette Stadium. In 2019, Bon Jovi received an honorary Doctor of Music degree from University of Pennsylvania and a second honorary doctorate from Princeton University in 2021, recognizing his contributions in music and social welfare. In October 2021, Bon Jovi tested positive for COVID-19 at a fan event in Florida and was reported to have shown no symptoms as he was fully vaccinated and felt great. He had recovered by November 12th. In April 2022, he spoke about how the experience had affected him and his songwriting, saying that it made him realize how volatile we are and how fragile life is. He said, "It didn't matter if you were young or old, American or Egyptian, no matter who you were or where you were from, the COVID-19 pandemic affected you. I was aware of that when I was writing the record." In February 2024, Bon Jovi revealed he had been struggling with vocal cord issues and underwent reconstructive surgery of the vocal cords in June 2022, a procedure known as vocal cord medialization. He had extensive daily vocal rehabilitation for nearly 2 years to regain his singing voice. In an October 2025 interview with People, he said that one of his vocal cords was atrophying and that he was trying multiple approaches for recovery. In September 2024, during a break from shooting a music video on the John Seigenthaler pedestrian bridge in Nashville, Bon Jovi noticed a woman preparing to jump from the bridge and persuaded her to climb back over the railing. He was thanked by Nashville police, and security camera footage of the incident was released by CNN. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. share, and subscribe. Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs.